Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Singapore. What's in the bag? Let's find out. Oh! So this year on the Ramen Raider's Top 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2022 edition, the number one was the same as the last 6 years. It was Prima with their whole grain laksa ramen from Singapore, and they sent some things because they're pretty happy about it, and well, let's just check them out. So they sent a few of these little cards, and as you can see here, they've got a little piece of tape here, and they kind of hang on the side of store shelves. Kind of neat. And these are stickers that they would put on individual packs. And they sent a couple posters. Yeah, there's a big one and a little one. Here's what the little one looks like. It fit on my scanner, so that's an easier way for you to be able to see them. So yeah, thanks very much to the folks over at Prima for sending these over. I always like, when somebody's using my logo and they mention me, if they've got something like this, I love to see it. So this is cool. It'll go into the vault. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.